just want it. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself?
Welcome back, all the Centy fans. You guys have been waiting for this car, and I know it. I got the video finally, guys. The unboxing and the specs of this cool Hindustan Motors Ambassador, which is a really sick car. I don't know for all the people who love sports cars and stuff, but this is really a cool classic. Like, trust me, some people even named it the bulletproof car. I don't know whether it's true or not. Comment that in the comment box, guys. Let me know whether it is an actual bulletproof car. So now, starting off with the Ambassador, this is actually based on which car did I say last week? Oh yeah, it was based on the Oxford Morris Series 3, guys. Yes, the shape and the design is exactly similar. Wait. Why are we going for the actual car? Now let's talk about the Ambassador from Centy Toys. This car is really detailed well, guys. Like, Centy Toys always amazes me with this car's details. It's so damn nice. First, I'll show you around the box, then let's go for the unboxing right away. So as usual, the Ambassador, or should I say Centy Toys, actually have put a lot of detail onto this car. It's very neat, and I actually chose the black color because I knew that the black suits this car. Like, from the 80s and 90s, this car looks really sick with this color, so that's why. And also, this is a pullback action car with, yes, you name it, door openable. So I don't know how this operates, but we gotta check it out in the unboxing. Looking at the back, you have only one color option, but actually there are many other colors too. I've even seen a red and another colors, but this is only shown over here. So that's pretty much it. I can see the details of this car, which is pretty sick. I really want to unbox this right now. So what are we waiting for? Let's go for the unboxing right away. Oh, just one more thing, guys. If you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button immediately, and also press the like button and share it to all your friends and family who love collecting toys. So now for the unboxing. It's like a James Bond car from the 80s and 90s. Getting on with the details of this car, guys, which is amazing. I love the front chrome grills design, which is very nicely detailed. The front indicators are also quite neat and clean compared to all the other brands, and also the headlamps, they aren't exactly glass. You guys can see that it's plastic, but it suits the retro look of this car, which I don't complain. And yeah, looking at the side of the car, before we get to the doors, the wheels are pretty nice. I know it's very simple to make these wheels, but still it suits this car's look, which is the most important thing. And yes, at the bottom of the car you have Ambassador scale 132 with Centy Toys written on it, which is pretty neat. And I don't know why they have ball tires, but I think the 80s and 90s cars had the ball tires, which kind of suits this one. All right. Oh yeah, it's ball top too. Looking at the doors, yeah, this is how they open. They only open this much, which is, yeah, I guess it's fine. And this is the front look of the car with the doors open. Pretty nice, I guess. And the interior isn't very impressive. Let me just show you. Yeah, it just has that front tray type of thing, which is kind of awkward, and it's not fully complete. At least the seats are good enough. Well, I'm surprised with the glass, guys. It's pretty neat and visible compared to all the other cars. And this is how the back looks, which is neat again. It's around Temp C138. Again, good design details. I love the chrome grille, but then there's no exhaust, which is kind of disappointing. The tail lamps are average, so overall this car is pretty neat, I guess. Here we go for the pullback. Yep, pretty fast. So now let's see how fast it is in the specs. Let's gain some knowledge from the grandpa of cars, that is the Hindustan Ambassador. Going for the specs, top speed is first. So the top speed of this car is 130 kilometers per hour. That's about 80 miles per hour, which is, yeah, you know, guys, you can't ask for more from this car. So yeah, I let it go there. Going for the acceleration time, it's slightly forever because it's 18.2 seconds to 100, or I don't know whether it'll even reach 100 now. Going for the horsepower of this car, guys. So yeah, on the 2-liter engine, which is the diesel and mostly sold in India, it produces 75 brake horsepower. Not bad again. Going for the engine, you have the 1.5 liter, which is a BMC B series inline 4-cylinder, and then comes the diesel engine, which is a 2-liter HFC1, which is an inline 4-cylinder. That's an overhead cam diesel engine, guys. So yeah, that's the engine part. Going for the transmission, you only get this car in 5-speed manual. So yeah, I tried digging a lot on this, but I couldn't find much. So it's only available in 5-speed manual. That's what I found. Going for the body style, of course, it's a 4-door saloon. Yes, the 3-body design, the 3-compartment design, or whatever you call it. All right, guys, and the last part, this car is a rear-wheel drive, so it's kind of fun over there. And talking about its ratings, as it is the end of the info, going for the ratings, I give it a 9 out of 10, guys. Yes, it deserves a 9 because of its details, not its performance. Obviously not its performance. Yeah, its details is the one which got it the score. So that's the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for more, and don't worry, the cars links will be in the description for you guys to purchase, so check them out. I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned. DCS out. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.